Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about state and sovereignty. State and sovereignty. Sovereignty is the right to have absolute and unlimited power. Yesterday, we will discuss about state and sovereignty. What is the meaning of sovereignty? Sovereignty is the absolute and unlimited power. Unlimited power. So it is called sovereignty, sovereign and sovereign government and sovereignty. Sovereignty. It is the absolute and unlimited power of government. State. The state is also nothing about state one of the region. It is totally dominated one of the place, one of the religions also dominated. State power, the manpower also mainly dominate of the state, manpower of the nation, sovereignty of the nation. So in this chapter we will discuss about the state and sovereign or sovereignty. State, okay, mainly how to domination of the one group of people. Sovereignty, it is how to encourage people's encourages, like a people's encourages. So political science, this is the main power of the subject and the theory of the subject. In this theory of the subject, dramatically many conflicts also affected every need of people. Many conflicts like economical conflicts. First one conflicts. What is the main conflicts? Number one, economical conflicts. Number two, economical conflicts. Number one. Okay. Number two, political conflicts also. Political conflicts. Next, competition of the political power. Competition also. Competition of the political power. Competition of political power. Competition of politics or competition of political power. So mainly state and sovereignty. The state it is the not only particular one region. It is the strongest of the power of the nation. State means not only one region. It is society, people, common society of the people. Common society of the people. Sovereignty is the absolute power, strong power, and economically power. This is the sovereignty power. Definitions. Here so many type of philosophers. Greek philosophers. Many philosophers clearly explain state and sovereignty. For example, Poland. Poland is the one of the philosopher. Gady. And next number two person Poland. Gady and Poland. Gady is a political power, not only affected of the society, the sovereign power also, enthusiastical ideology, people's ideology, creating new type of ideology also, many changes of the sovereign power. Mainly who is explained Gady. And next to Poland. Poland, one of the great Greek scientific philosopher. Poland also clearly explained mainly the political power. The political power it is the mainly dominator of the society and strongly changes of the society of the power. So the state is the state common people, every people also mainly wanted the separate of demand rights, particularly rights. In this period, 5th and 6th centuries in this BC, okay, 5th and 6th centuries BC, neo-liberalization also mainly affected. Neo-liberalization. What is the meaning of neo? Neo means new. Liberalization. Liberalization. Liberalization means liberalization means liberal means freedom. Freedom of the power. Neo means new freedom. Neo-liberalization. Neo-liberalization also affect. Neo-liberalization also mainly start Western countries like greatest of the European countries. Neo-liberalization also Neo-liberalization mainly one of the part of the sovereign power and state power. Okay, it is the unlimited ideological power, absolute power and strongest of the power. Here different type of meanings. Gary, Poland and next other great Greek philosophers, greatest Greek ideological persons, greatest Greek philosophers clearly explained sovereignty. It is the nothing about neo-liberalization. Neo-liberalization period time, particularly 7th to 19th century. This century's sovereignty is the mainly strongest of the power in all over worldwise. So this is mainly sovereignty power. And next economically power also mainly changes of the so economically also mainly changes of the state. For example, the people how to set people mainly choose the right to vote system, the voting system, elections period, fixed period, the fixed time, term type of elections also start term elections, fixed time of elections. The elections also mainly changes of the government. Neoliberalism means the neoliberalism parts. What is the main parts of neoliberalization? Neoliberalization mainly like first one freedom and next freedom. Freedom is the main important of the every person. Okay, the freedom type of programs, free and fair. Example, elections time, conduct the elections, free and fair elections. Free and fair. So freedom of the people. Next industrialization. Industrialization also mainly changes of the new liberalization period. Liberalization means it is the political word development. So what is made developed of the sovereign power and countries and states. Countries are nations and states. So it is the neo-liberalization, new economical, new industry policy also started many European countries. New industrial policy, freedom, industrialization of the countries. Next to agriculture also mainly changes of the industrial power, new liberalization, new type of system, new type of economical system announced in many countries, Western countries. So these are total words neo-liberalization period time. Freedom and next to industrialization, agriculture, many type of green revolution. For example, green revolution is also one of the part of the agriculture revolutions. Okay, this is the sovereign. Sovereign means not only one power of the nation. The sovereign means mainly the one person mainly attacked or one person mainly dominated of the society. Here so many type of meanings are there. Sovereignty power. It is the absolute and unlimited power. Next to one person dominated society. Or next to one person, any one person, like example, elections time, one person won the election, one person. Okay. So one person dominated on the society, dominated on the society, dominated also. So one person dominated on the society, it is strongly power and next to planning system also, planning and strongly power and next to dominate of the people and dominate of the society. So these are words, sovereign words. Okay, one person dominated on the society and strongly nation, power of the nation. So mainly emerged of the new society, emergence of new society. The new society change the in people's life, change the political life. Okay, here different type of system also, mainly one of the parts of sovereign power, sovereignty power. So this power mainly announced which century, 6th to 18th century, 6th to, okay, 6th to 18th centuries, 6th to 18th centuries. This power mainly strongest of the particularly developed nations. Developed nations. The developed nations only mainly emerged of the strongest of the powers, particularly century 6th to 18th centuries. So the state is mainly common society. Common society. Okay. The state common society is called common society or common man power. Common society or common man power. Man power mainly ruling on and controlling of the society, controlling of society also, it is called state power. So neoliberalization, it is the mainly effect of the common people. So how to change of the state development programs. It is also called schemes, new schemes. Schemes means programs. Like so many type of schemes conducted in our Indian government. Okay, schemes. Number one. Number two, health programs. Health programs. Schemes and health programs. Health society. Okay. Next, insurances schemes. Okay, insurances also like manpower insurance and next like dramatical illustrations and dramatical items. Okay, these are etc. These are totally one of the level of the state. So schemes and programs, planning and control of the nation, control of the countries, control of the states, controlling power, manpower. So these are power totally under the state level programs. Okay. Next, health programs, health insurance schemes, health and insurance schemes. So this is the totally under the control of the state powers. The state and invasion, like some 6th to 8th, 12th century, so many revolutions are Russian Revolution and American Independent Revolution. The revolution also mainly changes of the state power. Okay, here Russian Revolution is the main important of the in 6th century and American Independent Revolution. This revolution also mainly development of the states and sovereignty power in the on the hand the grammatical items also ideological theory. So the people how to participate on the society and programs or schemes. This totally under the control by sovereign power. Under the control by sovereign power. This sovereign actually this is the in this word successful word. Why meaning it is the mainly the sovereign. The sovereign is the mainly success and ultimate of the power. Successful of the power and next to victorious ultimate of the power. So in this power under the control by men are next under the control political power only, the political leader, political power only. So sovereignty, it is the Greek type of scientist, different type of scientist like Greek philosophers. This is actually this which word Latin word. So many languages, so many words Greek language there, but particularly some words Latin language also there. So when it is the which word first, this is the Latin word. Latin word or Latin language word. Latin language word. So it is successful. It is first meaning is the successful. First is the successful. After this derived from sovereign. Successful rule. It is this meaning actually successful rule. Rule is not only affected. Rule is not only failures. Successful rules. Rule of success. Here different. Okay. Successful rule of the system. Sovereign system. Sovereign system. Successful rule of the method or successful rule of the system, sovereignty system. In this system, okay, in this system mainly in different type of ethical powers like caste, religion, and next caste and religion. Number 4 caste. Number 5 religions. Religion also mainly changes of the one of the main society of the power, sovereign power, religions. Okay, this is the mainly state power of the schemes. Schemes are programs, health programs, health insurance programs, caste and religion. This common people also mainly help of the sovereign power. The sovereign power mainly help of the common people. Not only rich or not only poor, main encourage to for equality, equal power. The equal power mainly distributed same method. Okay, so this is the sovereignty of the power. The sovereign power, great philosophers, Greek and Latin philosophers also clearly explained in the sovereign power. The sovereign power under the control by society, men or women. So the men or women only mainly dominated of the society and directly ruling, and next the hand mainly help of the hand means here the power of the hand, help of the society, and next the hand also mainly encouragement of the peoples, like the greatest of the fellows, greatest of the scientists. Okay. So this is the mainly introduction of the state and sovereignty. So next to meaning, what is the main meaning, and next to definitions. Here are so many type of scientists. Like example, this is not only common people, sovereign power, like not only democratic system, kingdom power, kingdom or system period also. This power encouraged. Kingdom system. It is also called monarch type of government, monarch type of system. Kingdom system also mainly the king or queen mainly dominate of the society, and the king or queen mainly help of the sovereignty system. This is the main encouragement of the secular dominated republic of the country. So for example, India is the secular democratic republic of the country. Secular democratic and republic, and mainly equality and freedom, liberty. Here different type of constitution words. The constitution words mainly first mainly written by the in different type of political scientist. So sovereignty and compare what is the main difference between sovereignty and state, and sovereignty and capitalism, sovereignty and capitalism, and sovereignty and federalism, capitalism. Okay, these are mainly discussing about now. Okay, state and sovereignty. The state not there means sovereignty is also this word is also not came. So the state is the main important of the in our society. The state and ruling and mainly affected of the one person. It is absolute and unlimited power. This sovereignty is the one of the power. This is not everyone, not only some persons only. So the state it is depend on the sovereignty. Sovereignty also may depend on state. So this is the strongly and ultimate power. Ultimate power and ideological, great ideological theory system also. It is the theory system, great great ideological theory system and announcement of the different type of schemes like liberalization, agriculture and some example industrialism. Okay, the industrialization also main changes of the country level developed. So here three type of countries are there example: developed countries, developing and non-developed countries. So these countries also mainly change of the only for the century 6th to 7th centuries only sovereignty of the power. So greatest of the this is the main man power of thinking power. In this power ultimately change of the in our country. For example, India is under the control of the colonial system. Colonial system also. Number 6th. What is number 6th? Colonialism. Colonialism. State means your scheme. State means nothing about state. Okay, older language is called state. Now it's called it is the one particular region, particular area. The particular region, particular area. Now is also called state. Schemes and programs announced of the state. Next health programs and insurance programs and next caste. In different type of caste there in our society, caste and religions, religions. Next to colonialism, post-colonialism. Colonies meaning what is the meaning of colony? For example, one dominated country. Here, great power of the strongest nation. One country dominated another country and directly ruling. So it is called colony system. One country directly ruling. One country persons mainly goes to another country and settled there. So it is called continuous ruling, continuous, not only 1 or 2 years, continuous some years ruling. So it is called colonialism. Colonialism power, it is also one of the sovereign power. Colonialism power is one of the sovereign power. So this power strongly nations. Colonialism system power period also the countries strongly countries. Nations, the countries are nations. Strongly nations. So the strongly nations mainly the affected, how to affected of the strongly nations. Here the caste. The caste also, here for religious caste also mainly depend on the society, religions. Hindu or Muslim and Christians, one of the religions and caste in group of peoples. Okay, society in workers, in different type of workers or different type of working. It is divided of the groups. Society divided of the some of the groups. Economical status also mainly one of the part of the sovereign power. Economical status also improve or less economical status discourage improve or less discourage. So improve or sometimes this kind of system also there. Sovereignty power. So the state and sovereignty, it is the main relation. What is the main difference of state and sovereignty, and what is the main relation between state and sovereignty? State meaning one of the society. Every person mainly living in society. The society group of people also settled. The group of people. Group of the people living of society, group of people. The group of people, different type of peoples are working in different type of categories, different type of sectors. So the sectors mainly some places directly and some places divide some small type of groups. The ideological groups also sometimes. So it is the mainly which areas state power areas only. The states and central state and central state is the main effect of the sovereign power, and sovereignty is also mainly encourage of the state power. Next, this is the okay. The state and sovereignty. Sovereignty is the commonly it is the political effects, political efforts. Number one, the sovereignty mainly help of sovereignty is the one of the part of the government, and government and direct ruling of the sovereignty, political efforts. And number two, political efforts. Number one. Number two, mainly political theory, political system or political method. Political system or method. And next theory also sometimes political theory and political method. Okay, here the sovereign political efforts, political parties. The political parties also mainly affected of the sovereignty, the power. Next to political system or political method or theory, political theory. The political system also mainly change of the on the society, main change of the political system society. Society in a different type of categories are there. Okay, here particularly two types of categories: organized characters, organized sector, and next unorganized sectors. So here political system is also one of the political reports or political system also two types of sectors are also there. Number one, organized. Number two, unorganized characters. Unorganized characters. Political efforts. Here society, here organized meaning under the control of the government, or the next under the control of the public, or public or government, under the control of the in-one system, sovereign system. It is called organized. Unorganized meaning daily laborers, coolies, and next street vendors. Okay, and next daily various working people there are. So it is called people there. Okay, it is mainly unorganized type of characters, organized and unorganized. So these two powers mainly under the sovereign system also mainly there. So for example, India is the democratic country, and some countries mainly sovereign countries also there, directly sovereign countries. Like for example, Republic of China, and next to Republic of Korea, Japan. These countries are directly communist countries. Okay, except to Japan, China and Korea. The communism also mainly one of the part of the sovereign power. Communism are next to monarch type and next to monarch type. Next to democratic system. So these are the totally under the sovereign system. The sovereign system, it is the number three. What is the number one? Political efforts. Political theory also mainly change of the mainly in state and sovereignty. Number two, political system or method or theory. Political system or method and theory.